Hello guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this one, I will be showing you guys how you can remove pimples, acne, and similar facial imperfections in the Snapseed editing app made by Google. So let's jump straight into it. Now, as you can see, I'm using a stock photo of a woman who unfortunately has a acne problem, and we're going to fix that in the picture just by using one simple tool, and that tool is the healing tool. Now, to actually find this, you can just go to the tools tab, and once you're here in the third row of the first column, as you can see way left, you will see the healing tool. Just click on that and now it'll be selected. When I zoom in and zoom out, you will notice the circle in the screen, in the middle of the screen. This is the size of the brush pretty much. And the main tip I want to give you guys about using the healing tool: do it in short strokes or even taps. That will definitely help keep the photo more realistic and more natural, since if I do a big stroke like this, as you can see, it completely changes and fucks up. However, if I do taps, it sort of looks a bit better. It's still blurry because I'm using a pretty large um, size for the brush. However, if just let's just undo all of this. If I actually go a bit closer and use either small strokes or small taps, as you can see, it'll still be a bit blurry. However, it will definitely look a bit more natural, and whichever blurriness or unnaturalness comes up, you can easily use other tools such as the saturation tool or similar tools to actually fix it, and it will look much more natural. Now, regarding this tutorial, that would be pretty much it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed and I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you guys in another tutorial.